Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Reddit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your Reddit application. Then search for the person that you want to block. Then tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen. There you can find Block Account. Tap on it. And if you are sure, tap Block Account once again. And this is how you can block someone on Reddit. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.